So we're given the equation x plus y equals 4. So let's rearrange this to y-intercept form. So I'm just going to subtract both sides by x, and we'll get minus x plus 4. So here we can see that the slope is equal to -1. So if we want no solution in part A, no solution will occur when the slope is the same and the y-intercept is not the same. So this means that we will have minus x as the slope, and we can have maybe plus 5. So in this case, if I just quickly graph this, let's say one of these slopes look like this, mine will look like this, so they will never touch. Part B is asking for infinitely many solutions, and so this means that they are exactly the same line. So that means if the y equals minus x plus 4 looks like this, the new line is right on top of that line. So there are many solutions, they're always intersecting. So they are exactly the same line, minus x plus 4. Part C is for one solution. And so that means that if it looks like this, the other line looks like this, for example, and so there will be one point of intersection. So that will be any slope that's not minus x. So I'm just going to put positive x and maybe plus 3. Doesn't really matter.